Okay. My name is DSP Lawrence Adiku, retired. Now, when I hear some of my colleagues talking about gratuity, 2.4, nothing like gratuity. A serving police officer who served for 35 years, what they are giving you at the end of your retirement is what you contributed.
Okay.
What they are giving you at the end of your retirement is what you contributed. When they are talking about gratuity, it's as if government is giving you that 2.5. No, it's your contribution. When in service, that they give you, they say 25% of what you contributed. For what? After 35 years. And that, I was discussing with one of my brothers yesterday, and I told him that, look, some of my colleagues who have collected, they are collecting 2.1 as the Deputy Superintendent of Police. He's a driver in one of the judiciaries in Nigeria. He shouted, he said, 2.1. Because we are discussing about how I can get a house. 2.1. He said his colleague who even has retired as from judiciary, a civilian staff, got about 8 million. Now, when our IG are talking, as I speak with you now, there is a circular going on. They are proposing 100% for a particular rank, to a particular rank, and 80%. What is our senior as a both daft? A constable and a corporal does not collect the same salary. So if you are giving a corporal 100% of his money at the end of the year, and you are giving the constable 100%, it's still not the same amount. But because of their selfish interest, they are avarice, have covered their face. They only want to be dominating the junior staff. They don't even copy from their military people. They call themselves commanders. The military, when they exit the least amongst them. And that is how he could command these people properly in the war front. But the situation whereby our policemen, there's hierarchy. They want to use the rank and file as slave. They are proposing better thing for themselves and then dumping the younger ones. My name is
Your name is what? Your name is what, please?
DSP Lawrence Adiku. Now, if the government what I contribute to okay, my name is DSP Lawrence, retired. Okay. Talking about the statement coming from the police, one of the current statements I got, I think, in response to this protest today was that the police are trying, they have formulated a policy that at the end of the day, retired police officers from particular rank to particular rank will get 100% of their destiny, and a particular rank will get 80%. And that within 5 years' time, people will get a better welfare. The implication is this. That means the police organization are going to have about 3 different kinds of pension district. Because people have retired under the DPS, and lots of us who have retired now under contributing pension, and the so-called program they say they are putting in place now for people who retire in 5 years' time. What kind of disorganized organization is this? That is one. And two, I'm surprised that our leaders, the police leadership, are not copying from the military. The military, when they were pulling out, they pull out with the least constable among the least private among them, and that is a good commander. But the situation whereby a commander is segregated. Now, part of that policy, the statement they brought is that they are going to give some people 100% and some people
80%. So do you regret?
Thank you very much.